The Procurement Observers Portal, the NGTA microsite, and BT Bayong chatbot are not just tools. They are embodiments of our collective dedication to fostering a transparent, accountable, and efficient public procurement system. We believe that these tools will significantly enhance our ability to oversee and manage procurement policies,